Hi, so back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to cover about the review about the Nokia 105 4th edition, as you can see here on box. So let's see what is it includes. So as you can see, Nokia 105 dual SIM, so it is a dual SIM phone, and talk time it says up to 14.4 hours, and standby time 18.2 days. Now here I would say this third phone which I ordered from the same place, like from the Amazon, from the same seller, it never actually did more than 2 days for me, I would say. And I'm not using like it's for texting or call, even just I just insert a sim card and just put it there, but it does not do more than 3 days. So for battery timing, I would say for battery timing it's not a good thing, it's not a good phone to buy. LED torch, 1.77-inch color display, storage for up to 2000 contacts, micro USB contact connector, FM radio, free games. Actually free game, there is only one game, most of them are not free, you just will get some like 3 or 5 trials. So yeah, that is another thing. And one more thing, that yeah, it does include radio, but it does not have any camera or micro SD slot. I don't understand. I actually ordered Nokia 105 dual SIM before, the 4th edition version, and there were card slot inside it. So I can say yeah, there might be two versions of that. So what this box include actually the phone itself and the charger. So there is no need to open the box to show the things, the charger. So let's get directly to the phone review. Alright, so here is the phone itself, and let me unlock it by this click, and hopefully you can see everything. So basically it does include two SIMs. I already inserted the SIM, although the roaming is not available in this country, so that's why it shows actually no or emergency here, emergency call only. So this is how the phone looks. It's pretty tiny, you can say. If I compare, the length is approximately, you can see from the ball point, it's like this. In inches I can see like 3 to 4 to 4.5 inch maybe. The length, and the width is, of course, you can see almost 2 inch. And of course color screen. And let's go to the menu and let's see what it includes. So first of all, there is like calls, call duration, everything. Of course news, it will not include anything. Then it does have contacts, clock, that include alarm tone, set alarms, time settings, and so on. Then you have radio, which will not work if you do not connect the earphones or the headset, you can call. Then there is message, and then there is a flashlight. So there is a shortcut button, you just click 2 times and above button, then it will turn on and turn off. So flashlight. Then there is calculator, calendar, of course, and there is the Nokia copyrighted version of the snake game, which you can see it will look like this. And this is the free game, and they say free game, this is the free game. And these are, you can see here, there is like trial versions available. This one, along with that, this, the second racing, also you have 3 trials. And if you see Sky Gift, you also have 3 trials. And Danger Dash, 3 trials. Tetris, 5 trials. Nitro Racing, 5 trials. And the last Ninja, 5 trials. So basically when they say it's free games, then there is no free games. There is one free game, that is the snake itself. And then there is the sim manuals, your phone and jazz, which I'm using. So let's go to the setting, and you can see the dual sim settings, the tone setting. Let's hear. Okay, that is the Nokia tone, as you can see. And then there is display setting, where you can change the wallpaper. And then there is backlight, how much backlight you need, how much settings. I think there is a glare, that's why you cannot but so yeah, standby screen, notifications, and backlight. So everything this is what is in the profile and what is in the setting. Like there is not much what you can get from the setting of this one. Of course, language, it does provide French, Italian, Turkish, Dutch, Netherlands, and English. So yeah, if you want any from those languages, then you can get the phone. Network selection, automatic or manual. That setting, startup tone, on or off, welcome note, what you want to see when you turn on this phone. Confirm service action, like if you want to send the message which will cost you something, then you want to, the confirmation or not. So basically, that's it for this phone. I would say for the battery timing, I'm not satisfied with it, but I saw the actually reviews while having more than 1 week, even they can say like more than 1 week battery timing works, but for me it didn't. So today I ordered a charge full. Let's see for how long it will last, but I think it cannot last more than 2 days for my, like I ordered three of them and none of them work more than 2 days. So yeah, basically that's okay phone for maybe old people, or if you want as an additional second or alternative phone. So yeah, it will work. So that's Nokia 105. And of course, I would say if you have any questions related to this phone or some other video, then you can comment. If you want some other review, you can comment about some other phone, or if you have any questions, or if you want something to be changed maybe, then most probably you can comment section is always on. And please do not forget to like the channel and share the videos if you like. And that's all. So have a nice day.